Welcome to Tech Vibe, where we dive into the most anticipated Apple products of 2025. This year, Apple is set to redefine innovation with groundbreaking releases across its entire product lineup. From the sleek iPhone 17 series to the powerful MacBook upgrades and the futuristic Vision Pro 2, there's something for everyone. Rumors hint at a new iPhone Air model that's ultralight and could replace the Pro series. Meanwhile, the MacBook Air and Pro will feature the new M4 and M5 chips, ensuring faster performance and better efficiency. Let's explore these upcoming products and see what Apple has in store. When it comes to connectivity and other features, Apple is pushing the boundaries once again. The iPhone 17 series is expected to include AI-powered cameras, under-display Face ID, and a titanium frame. The new AirPods 4 and AirPods Max 2 will support lossless audio and offer advanced noise cancellation. Apple is also stepping into the smart home space with a new doorbell featuring facial recognition technology. Plus, the Vision Pro 2 promises enhanced mixed reality experiences with dual 8K displays and an expanded app ecosystem. With these advancements, Apple continues to lead the way in tech innovation. In terms of pricing, Apple remains committed to premium quality, and that reflects in their price tags. The iPhone 17 series is expected to start at $999, with the new iPhone Air possibly hitting a higher price point due to its advanced design. MacBook Air and Pro models with the M4 and M5 chips will likely range between $1,199 and $2,499. The Vision Pro 2 could cost upwards of $3,000, reflecting its cutting-edge technology. AirPods 4 and AirPods Max 2 are expected to be priced around $199 and $549, respectively. As always, Apple combines luxury with state-of-the-art features. Performance is at the heart of Apple's 2025 lineup. The iPhone 17's A19 Bionic chip promises faster speeds and greater efficiency, while the MacBook Air and Pro with M4 and M5 chips offer unmatched processing power. The Vision Pro 2 enhances user experience with better battery life and lighter design. Meanwhile, AirPods 4 and AirPods Max 2 deliver superior sound quality and longer-lasting battery performance. Apple's focus on performance ensures that users get the most seamless and powerful experience possible across all their devices, maintaining their status as the leader in innovation and technological excellence. Stay tuned to Tech Vibe for more in-depth coverage of Apple's latest innovations. With each new product release, Apple continues to push the envelope and redefine our digital experiences. Whether it's the sleek new iPhone 17 series, the high-performance MacBooks, or the futuristic Vision Pro 2, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for Apple fans. We'll keep you updated with the latest news, reviews, and hands-on experiences, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This is Tech Vibe, your ultimate source for everything Apple and beyond.